Visuals are super important on Twitch, and it goes well beyond the video player that captures you and your gameplay that broadcasts out to your community. You have things like your Twitch emotes and your sub badges. Maybe you want to have a logo design. Perhaps you want to have different scenes of a BRB screen or an intermission screen or a starting soon screen. Maybe you want to have stinger transitions with a bunch of different motion graphics. Maybe you even want to have an avatar that's represented on your channel. But where do you get this done? Where can I find it? Who do I work with? Can I brainstorm with different artists? What prices is it gonna cost me to get all of this done? Visuals are very confusing, but it's okay. I'm here to help you out to make a bigger impact on your live stream on Twitch. And something cool just dropped within the past few weeks that I wanna share with you. It's a Twitch store, and it's gonna solve all of your needs. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point in this video, if you like the products or the service that I'm talking about, did you all a favor? Put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out at the end of this video. When it comes to live streaming, there's not really a lot of guidance or hand-holding on where you can find things to bring your stream up to the next level. Well, luckily for you, a company reached out to me on a brand new store that they're releasing to help a lot of live streamers out there, especially Twitch. And they in fact opened up a Twitch designated store. And where's this located at? It's located at Fiverr.com. They have a plethora of different services that they're offering for live streamers out there. And it's not just limited to Twitch, but it is a Twitch store, but you can use it for your YouTube, Facebook gaming, Mixer, Bebo, everything beyond that you plan on creating live streaming content on. And a lot of these services are exceptional and they come with really good prices. And this store's got you covered. I mean, they thought of everything. Just take a look at some of the categories that they have to get you started off on your streaming adventure. They have a gaming category which will help you set up your Twitch channel and hosting and everything that falls in the lines of that. Social media designs, which covers Twitch overlays, banners, alerts, offline screens, emotes. They have illustrations, which covers Twitch badges. Logo designs, which covers Twitch logos. Intros and outros for Twitch intro animations and outro animations. Video marketing for Twitch promotions on different platforms that you may need assistance with. Cartoon and caricature for Twitch avatars. They even offer editing and post-production services. So if you've got a lot of Twitch clips or highlights or your full video that you enjoyed that you want to edit down and put on different websites like YouTube or maybe Reddit, or maybe even put refined clips down on your Twitter or Instagram, this service would be the perfect service for you. They literally thought of everything. And the cool thing about it is you can browse what's going to be best represented for you and your style or for your community. It's pretty cool. Now, the nice thing about this Fiverr store is it's not just refined down to a certain amount of artists. There are a bunch of different artists on there that have different visual styles or representations that'll help you with your channel and your personal branding, which is what I always advocate, and I say that's key for growing on certain social media platforms and live streams. After you've browsed all across Fiverr's Twitch store and you found an artist that you like, you can easily scroll through their channel and you can see the examples of their work that they've currently done for past people. You can take a look at their packages, which they sometimes will offer like a single package or a deluxe package or an ultimate package. And these prices will vary depending on what you want and what you negotiate, because there's little additions that you can add on. So make sure you check the finer details. If you ever have any questions or concerns, or you want to brainstorm with the artist or see if they can represent a style that you're aiming for on your personal branding, you can message the store owner or the artist very easily and they get back to you quickly. I've used Fiverr a couple of times and I've had very good success with them. And I know a lot of people that are in this community and watch this YouTube channel have had the same experience. Being a Twitch artist myself, I always advocate trying to look for somebody that's in the Twitch creative category that does digital art, that's willing to work with you to help make a personal brand, whether it be a logo design or avatar or emotes or panels, because I love seeing other Twitch streamers help support other Twitch streamers. It's really awesome. But if you can't find somebody that lines up with your style or personal branding, or perhaps what happens a lot of time is the Twitch artists that you want, they're booked solid with commissions, so they can't. So this Fiverr store is an awesome place to look for a plethora of different reasons. Now, I personally like to thank Fiverr because they actually reached out to me and my community and informed me of this new Twitch edition. Before, it was kind of just scattered and you had to find things through the search bar, but now there's an entire store dedicated to help out live streamers like you and me, and it's really awesome. And if you guys need any more additional help, I put links in the description below that'll take you right to the store. And if you guys do browse on Fiverr's website and you plan on purchasing anything, I did you an extra favor. I reached back out to them and asked them to give me a coupon code, and they did. So if you enter in Wild4Games10, you will save 10% on your checkout. Put links in the coupon code in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. Look, I'm always going to be a huge advocate of Lava. Lighting, audio, video, and aesthetics. And to be honest, a lot of streamers forget about aesthetics and they kind of shove it off. But if you put a little bit of money into your aesthetics, you're doing something that's stating a lot to eyeballs that come into your channel. You're stating that your stream is professional and you're establishing a personal branding. And those are things that are going to really resonate with people that come into your stream. And it's going to help separate you out from the competition, which is what I want for you to have as you're growing on your live streaming platform. If you all like this type of video and you want me to create more videos on where you can find things to help grow and improve your channel, do me a favor, leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you'd like me to produce in the future. And if you'd like to help support me and this channel, there are a couple awesome ways you can do so. The free ways you can do is just simply follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you've got a few extra pennies in your pocket, you can mosey on over to Twitch and hit the follow button there, or hit the almighty subscribe button, or you may now have noticed that there's a join button on this YouTube channel. Thank you to all of the members and subscribers that help support this channel, because it allows me to keep creating content for all of you out there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be back real soon in my next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.